What is up, my peoples, my YouTube peoples? Hey, so I don't know what we're gonna do today. Actually, I do know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take this thing and we are going to go. So I don't have four-wheel drive hooked up because the drive line is in fact probably in the back of this bed. Oh, I can't even see back there. I think it's somewhere back there. Anyways, we got a seat and we got some old springs because we changed our setup, so we have an extra set of springs. So check it out. Let's see here. Let's see if this, I think this works. Oh yeah, look at that. See that? She's locked. She's locked. Oh, look at that. Now she's unlocked. So we're gonna go test out the suspension on this thing. So we're gonna go see. We're just gonna go take it down to the whoops and like run through them and just see how she does. So stay tuned. Nothing fancy. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Check it out. You see, look at this interior. These seats are dirty. They're dusty. I need to clean them. But it looks a lot better when they're cleaned. It looks like this one. The front seat looks a little bit better because it's not as dusty. That one's really dusty for some reason. But anyways, we're gonna take the Jeep. My wife's gonna come with me, and we're gonna go down. So stay tuned because this is exciting. So here it is. Listen. Listen. Oh. Here we go. It might die on me because it likes to do that. Oh, it didn't die. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So one thing, if you guys know your Chevys, your 454s, and your Holly carbs, this thing's not running too good. So like, we need to fine tune it, and we got it running a lot better than it was running the other day. So shout out to my mechanic down there, Bryce, at Premium Auto. I'm gonna put some stickers on this truck, but it's running a lot better. But I still think there's just a little bit of timing issue. It's fine, just a little more fine tuning. But it was hot the other day when we were down there, and oh my gosh, it was like, I swear it was like 100 degrees. Oh, but see, she kind of got we fixed the idle. The idle was running good, but I think it's still a little too low because it did die on me a few times. So we need to adjust that while it's in gear so it doesn't die on me next time. But like, listening to it idle, like, it sounds fine. Like, I love it. And this thing, like, it's driving pretty good, but it just doesn't have, it's lacking a little bit of power. So you hear how loud it is in here, but it doesn't have any power. Like, it's lacking a little bit of power. And then at the top end of the gear, right before it shifts into the next gear, it basically likes to cut out, and it's like bogging down and like spitting, sputtering, and you know, just blah, 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 blah. And then it shifts and it seems like it's smoother. So I don't know. If you got any advice, let me know. But we're almost here, so hold on.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way